Verifying your identity on Spectrum Mobile is essential for accessing your account and ensuring your information is secure. Follow these steps to complete the verification process quickly. Step 1. Access the Spectrum Mobile app. Download and open the Spectrum Mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by following the prompts. Step 3. Navigate to identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the necessary information for verification. This may include your phone number, address, or other personal details. Step 5. Confirm your identity. After submitting your information, you may receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter this code in the app to complete the identity verification process. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully verified your identity on Spectrum Mobile. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.